Now that we have the filtering and the pagination, we could also add the sorting part of the query. When we make a call to the Glue API, we can specify the sorting fields with the parameter sort. Then we can specify the fields or field that we want to sort the result by. And then let's suppose that we want to sort the result by name. We can specify ascending or descending. By default, it is ascending. And then if we add minus here, then the sorting would be descending. You can take a look at the logic if you visit vendor Spryker, glue JSON API convention, and then you open src, glue request, and you can see here request sort parameter builder. And you can see here that the code is gonna search for sort, and then it's gonna explode the value by using the comma separator. And then if we have minus as the first character of the string, then it's going to be descending instead of ascending. So let's give it a try. So we're here in the repository. After applying search, we can call a method apply sorting, and then we're going to pass the same parameters here, the entities and the Antelope criteria transfer. We don't have that method. Let's just right click and add method. And as we're passing these parameters by reference, there's no need to return anything, so we're gonna just return void. And let's apply the sorting. We have access through the Antelope criteria transfer to the sort collection. So let's just go and we can call for each, because the sort collection, as you saw in the API convention, it would be an array. And then we can call Antelope criteria transfer get sort collection as sort transfer, and that's the DTO that we created for the sorting. And here we can apply the sorting to the Antelope entities, and it would be PYZ Antelope query. We can call it here Antelope entities order by, and you can see that we can pass the column name and then the sense of the order, if it is descending or ascending. So order by, and let's add the column name, and then let's add the order. The column name would be sort transfer get field, and then the order would be, if we have is ascending, then we can pass criteria, as we should import this class, and we can just remove the qualifier. Otherwise, it would be criteria descending. All right, you can take a look here at the method order by, and you can see here that we have the criteria, and it's from Propel runtime active query criteria. And you can see that PHP Storm automatically added this alias here. And you can see that criteria ascending is the default one, otherwise is descending. All right, let's give it a try. Let's go to our HTTP file, and we're gonna first add sort by name, and let's give it a try. And you can see here that we have the first one is Duiker. Let's see the second one. Then we have Eland, then we have Gazelle. As you can see, it is ascending. And the last one you can see here, that is with W. If we add minus and rerun the query, you can see now that Wild Beast is the first one. So the sorting is working. We can just use also by ID Antelope descending, and you can see that now we had the 42 as the first record.